Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this 3D and so easy blanket stitch. Also you can use different project this pattern, but I think it's so suitable for your blankets. It's so simple and only make single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and double treble. Okay, it's so easy. You can see its 3D effect like that. I hope you like it. This pattern's front side like that 3D effect, and this is the back side. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. I use in that sample baby yarn. It's acrylic baby yarn. It's I think Himalaya anti-peeling, and it's nearly 100 one ball and 100 grams, and it's equal to nearly 210 meters. I lost its label, but I think it's near that. I use 3mm hook with that yarn, and I will show you same yarn. Hope you like this tutorial. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our 3D blanket stitch. Let's start to crochet. For this pattern, we need multiples of 5 plus 1 chains. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not make your chain so tight. Okay. 6. I have 20 chains and add 1 more here. After that, skip the very first stitch and start from the second one. I insert my hook, grab my yarn and pull through 2 and make a single crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together and make a half double crochet. Yarn over and insert my hook, third stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab my yarn. This time we make our double crochet, pull through 3 times, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And the last stitch, yarn over twice, insert into the 5th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2, make a double treble. 1, 2, 3 chains, and turn back to same stitch which you made double treble here. Grab your yarn and make a slip stitch. Insert into the next stitch and make a single crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab your yarn and make a half double crochet. Pull through all together. Yarn over and insert into the next. Make a double, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over once a time and insert into the 4th one. Grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And the last stitch, yarn over twice, insert into the 5th one, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. I have triangle here. Now I need to come here, so 1, 2, 3 chains and turn back to double treble stitch, same stitch here. Grab my yarn and make a slip stitch. Insert into the next, make a single. Yarn over, insert into the next, make half double. Yarn over, insert into the next, make double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice and insert into the 5th one, make a double treble. 1, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn back to double triple stitch, same stitch, and make a slip knot. Single crochet, next stitch half double crochet, next stitch double crochet, next stitch again double crochet, but we pull through 3 times. Pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2. The last stitch, yarn over twice and insert your hook last stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 and make your double triple. Last stitch not make chain 3. Okay, this is the end of the first row. This time chain 1 and turn your work. Not count this chain 1 and insert my hook first stitch like that. This is the previous row's double triple. I insert my hook back of this double triple like that. Grab my yarn and make front post single crochet. Yarn over, insert into the second stitch, front to back, then front. Grab my yarn and make front post half double. Yarn over, insert the third stitch, again grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, front post double crochet. Yarn over and insert the fourth stitch again, back of that fourth stitch my hook. Grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice and insert the fifth stitch. Fifth stitch is the previous row single crochet, like that. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. We have here chain 3. We skip that chain 3 and I insert my hook previous row's double triple, like that. Grab my yarn, make a single crochet. Look at that, I made a 3D effect. Yarn over and insert into the next stitch. Grab my yarn and make front post half double. Yarn over, insert into the third stitch. I insert my hook like that. Second rows, the back rows, back sides rows, like here, this is back side. We always make this stitch front post. Here is usual. Make a double, front post double, yarn over, insert into the fourth stitch as front post again. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert the fifth stitch. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Skip this chain 3 previous rows and come to the double triple of previous rows. Again insert my hook like that as front post. Grab my yarn and make a single crochet. Yarn over, insert the second one like that. Grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, front post half double. Yarn over, insert the third one again. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the fourth one again like that. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert the fifth one. Again, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And finish the group. Again come here and I have chain 3 previous row. Skip that. Start from the double triple of previous row and start with front post single crochet. Front post half double, front post double crochet, front post double crochet, but I pull off my hook 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice and this is my last stitch. I insert again like that. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. We finish the second row. Chain 1 and turn. We made this 3D effect. We start again, not count that chain 1 and make a usual single crochet in the first stitch. Yarn over, insert into the second one, make half double. Yarn over, insert into the third one, make double. Yarn over, insert into the fourth one, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, insert into the fifth one, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2, double treble. Then 1, 2, 3 chains and insert my hook, same stitch of that double treble here, and make a slip stitch. Next stitch single crochet, next half double, next double, next double but pull off 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, insert a fifth one and make double treble. Chain 3, come to same space, bottom of that double treble here, and make a slip stitch. You will keep crochet like that. At the end of the last row, you will not make chain 3 and turn back. You will make chain 1 and turn your work. I will show you a little fast. I come here, 1, I come to the last stitch, yarn over twice and insert my hook, last stitch here, and make my double treble. Not make chain 3 and turn, chain 1 and turn my work. And not count this chain 1 again. Start with front post, insert my hook like that in the first stitch and make front post single crochet. Then insert the second one. I have 3 loops, front post half double, yarn over, insert the third one, front post double crochet, yarn over, insert the fourth one, 1, 2 and 3 times I get empty my hook, yarn over twice and insert the fifth one, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and come here, skip this chain 3 here, previous rows, start from the double treble. I insert my hook again like that. The back side always insert my hook as front post. Start with front post single crochet. That's it. Always repeat those 2 rows. Okay. At the end of you have this 3D effect. This is the front side. This is the back side. I hope you like it. It's so easy and you will finish your blanket, repeat of the second row. Okay, it gets the right line. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.